Psychological resilience and neurodegenerative disorders. What's the connection? Hi, I'm Dr. Jim, and this is what's on my mind today. Neurodegenerative disorders are what? They're incurable, they're chronic, they're progressive conditions that primarily affect neurons in the nervous system. They can have negative to absolutely devastating outcomes on the individual's ability to function, their quality of life, caregiver burden, and financial strain. Because the distress can be so overwhelming, it's important to understand the powerful impact of psychological resistance as these disorders progress over time. Okay, what are neurodegenerative disorders? I have been fascinated with these probably my entire adult life, if not sooner. Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or ALS, and multiple sclerosis are the most common. So what is psychological resilience and why is it so important? Well, the American Psychological Association, I went to their website, did some peeking around. How do they define this? They define psychological resilience as the capacity or the ability to adapt to stressful events or circumstances and adversity. It is also an individual's ability to manage and successfully navigate through stress and traumatic times. In simple terms, it's the ability to face stress and bounce back to a healthier state of being. It's like getting punched in the face, knocked down, you get back up, you shake yourself off, and you move forward. That's a very simple analogy. Probably too simple. But it involves internal characteristics, like your personality. Do you have a personality of resilience, or do you give up? What do you lean towards there? Coping styles. What kind of coping styles do you have? No storm lasts forever. Everything passes. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Things like that. And your interpersonal skills, communicating with other people, talking about your feelings and your thoughts and listening and so on and so forth, as well as external qualities like having good social support and services. Now, neurodegenerative disorders are among the worst disorders on the planet Earth. Having good resilience can mean the difference between giving up, rolling over, you're diagnosed with a neurodegenerative condition, and you just expect the worst. Or you're going to do, if you can't do what you want, you continue to do what you can. You're going to face it. You're going to learn as much as you can about it. You're going to learn the best ways of coping. You might start learning about certain medications, therapies, treatments, talking to your family and your friends, things like that. Besides those anecdotal things, here's what research shows. Higher resilience in people who have Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. High resilience is associated with less depression. I love that. A lack of resilience is associated with depression, apathy, disability, especially among older adults who just throw in the towel. Higher resilience is associated with fewer quality of life problems, greater acceptance, and self-efficacy. Okay? Resilience is related to increased engagement and social support. It positively impacts a person's view of self, the world, and the future. It's also positively correlated with higher self-esteem and positive affect, which means mood. While neurodegenerative conditions are going to be diagnosed millions of times around the world, there are ways besides treatment and care and therapies and services that people can truly tap into what they have, what they possess, and help themselves to a higher degree, and that is psychological resilience. I'm Jim. You know where to find me. Keep coming back for more. Thank you so much for taking some time to watch the video. I appreciate it. And if you're a licensed healthcare professional who's looking for some great continuing education, we've got it. And we are always working on brand new, fresh content for you. So you can find the link to the website in the description and keep coming back for more information. I hope to see you soon.